Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will demonstrate on how to compute one-way ANOVA using Excel spreadsheet. So one-way ANOVA is done to test the difference between mean of more than two groups on a single factor. So here we have single factor, that is the school subject, and we have more than two groups, that is math, science and social sciences. If you have only two groups, then you can directly go for t-test. There is no need for ANOVA. So now we will compute the one-way ANOVA. So for that you have to click to the data here. Click the data here. After clicking the data, just go to the data analysis here. Click the data analysis. And from here you have to select ANOVA. So here you can see there is more than one ANOVA style. So here since my scores are based on single factors, so I will just use a single factor ANOVA. But if your scores are more than have more than one factor, that is there is a school subject as well as management type, then that time you can use ANOVA two factor analysis. But since my score is based on a single factor, that is a school subject, so I will just go for ANOVA single factor. So okay, and then I will have to put the input range. So for that, just click here and then select the entire scores of the three groups. So again, after that we have to set the alpha level here. So it is already preset here, 0.05. After that you have to click the output range. So output range is where you want your result to appear in. So here just click here and then take any area which you want your result to appear, and then click here and finally click OK. So now you can see that we have got our one-way ANOVA result. So our one-way ANOVA value is 0.318 and the p-value is 0.72. So here how you can interpret your result is that if the p-value, it can be done through the p-value. So if the p-value is more than the alpha value is 0.05 here. So in that case, there is no significant difference. But if the p-value is less than the alpha value, that is 0.05 here in this case, that means there is a significant difference. So here in our result we can see that our p-value is more than the alpha value, which is 0.05. Hence we can interpret our results that there is no significant difference between the group means. Hence, if you have formulated a null hypothesis, then the null hypothesis is accepted. So this is how you can calculate the one-way ANOVA using Excel sheet. But in case when there is significant difference, then you will have to study further on which group there is a significant difference. Since there is three groups, so you cannot just from the ANOVA value, you cannot just know between which group you have the significant difference. Therefore, in order to check that, you will have to do t-test again separately for the three. So that is how you can do. So I hope you have learned something in this session. So thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video.